Hi everyone. Today I am meeting with Michelle from Blackwoods Gardenette in Howick for this episode of the Howick Highlight, where we interview people, businesses and organisations in and around Howick. Michelle, thank you for meeting with us today.
Thank you for being here.
So tell us, when and how did Blackwoods Gardenette in Howick begin?
Lucy, Blackwood Gardenette came about in early 2016. It was based on an old Super 8 sort of theme where the model was based on offering limited but essential lines of gardening product to the public. We are not a full-blown garden centre, but we are rather an express store. The Blackwood team looked at finding ways of offering quality yet essential gardening requisites to the public or to the local community. And the Yard 41 development actually came about at the right time because then
it just set the stage for such a beautiful place.
Yes, it did. And yes, so we were wanting to offer, or they looked at offering quality products to in sort of an upmarket environment to local gardeners.
You've got a wonderful array of beautiful products. Tell us about some of them.
Yes, colour is definitely our thing. I know it's so amazing. It's so heartwarming to watch people walking through our store, just almost breathing in the beauty and tranquility of our
and the inspiration that it gives
that epitomizes our store.
Yes.
80% of our outdoor material is grown on our own growing farm out in Richmond. They called Blackwood Nursery. It's there that they control the quality and the variety of the lines that we sell in the stores.
But you don't only sell plants, you've got all kinds of other things.
Yes, we actually very big on gifting. We do an amazing assortment of pot covers and potted indoor plants, and we basically have something for everyone.
Amazing. And now with Black Friday on everybody's lips, tell us about Blackwood's take on Black Friday.
Our Black Friday is basically a play on our name and the worldwide discount day.
Yes.
A couple of years ago, our marketing team decided to come up with this concept of actually introducing Blackwood Friday. That is once a month on the first Friday of every month. And there we would offer customers 10% discount on all of their purchases.
Oh.
And then they stepped it up a bit and they decided that they're coming up with this Blackwood Friday t-shirt concept. That has been such fun for the customer as well, because if you wear a Blackwood Friday t-shirt on one of our discount days, you then get a further 5% discount.
Oh, that's a lovely idea.
So it's been lots of fun.
Yes. So to connect with you, how do people go about that? Where will they find you?
We are at Yard 41, and that is on the corner of Carkloof and Main Road. Our phone number is 033 33 03364. You can also find us on Instagram or on Facebook. And our web address is www.blackwoods.co.za.
Thank you. And I would just like to say, if you're not in the area, do yourself a favor and visit their website. It is a treasure trove of inspiration and beautiful flowers and gardening advice. It's really lovely. Michelle, thank you so much for your time. We really appreciate it.
Thank you, Lucy.
Thank you for watching this episode of the Howick Highlight. If you've enjoyed it, please share it so that others can also enjoy the feast of colour that Blackwoods Gardenette in Howick has to offer.